Gift Wizard AI is the newest software to hit the scene, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it, whether you're just learning about it or considering giving it a try. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share why I think this software could be a game changer for you, and you'll get a special offer to try it for free. First off, let me tell you, Gift Wizard AI is designed to make your life easier when it comes to gift giving. Whether you're looking for personalized gift ideas for family, friends, or corporate gifting, this AI-powered tool provides you with tailored recommendations based on data from various sources, which can be a huge time saver, especially during busy times like the holidays. It's all about leveraging AI to make smarter, faster decisions on the best gifts for anyone. Now, let's talk about how it actually works. When you input some basic information like the recipient's interests, preferences, or even their social media profiles, Gift Wizard AI analyzes these data points and generates a curated list of gift ideas that are spot on. It's not just about guessing, but about using algorithms that take into account actual behaviors and trends. One of the standout features here is how quickly it works. In just a few seconds, Gift Wizard AI can suggest a range of gifts based on the data you provide, from tech gadgets to unique experiences. And unlike traditional methods, where you spend hours browsing gift guides or reading reviews, this software cuts through all the noise and delivers customized results in record time. But here's where it gets even better. Gift Wizard AI uses machine learning to constantly improve its suggestions. So, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. It learns from your previous choices and refines its algorithm to deliver even more accurate and relevant gift ideas, saving you time and making the gift-giving process even more personal. If you're a business owner, there's another major benefit. Gift Wizard AI can be used to streamline corporate gift giving. Whether it's sending personalized gifts to clients, partners, or employees, this tool can help you send the right gift every time, maintaining those important professional relationships without the guesswork. Another impressive aspect of Gift Wizard AI is its integration with online retailers. After generating the perfect gift idea, the software makes it easy to purchase directly from your favorite stores, eliminating the need to jump from site to site in search of the right option. This seamless integration ensures that you can get the gift you want, delivered right to your door. Now, for those of you who are concerned about privacy or security, Gift Wizard AI has taken steps to protect your data. It complies with all the necessary regulations to ensure that your information is secure and your gift recommendations remain confidential. Finally, the biggest draw here is that you can try Gift Wizard AI for completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You can get a feel for the software, explore its features, and test out its gift recommendations at no cost. I've dropped a link in the description below where you can get started. I've tried out countless AI tools in my career, and I'm always on the lookout for the ones that truly stand out. Gift Wizard AI is one of those tools. If you're looking to save time, make smarter decisions, and upgrade your gift-giving game, this could be the software you've been waiting for. So, if you're ready to test it out, click the first link in the description below. I also have some of my other recommended AI tools down there for you to try. After experimenting with thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I stand by.